Hello dear students, today we will study about comparing decimals. Okay, how can we compare the decimal numbers? Okay, so previous class we learned like and unlike fractions. Okay, how can we convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, isn't it? So I hope that all of you understood that part. Okay, so this is comparing the decimals. How can we compare the decimal numbers? Okay, that means we are comparing decimals. It means that we are finding out which one is the greatest and which one is smallest. Okay, like that way we are arranging the numbers. Understand? For that one, we must know what the place value of what this decimal number is to. Okay, so how we are comparing decimals? It's very easy one. Okay, so we can study this one with an examples. Okay, so take a number. Okay, 2.697. Okay, this is a decimal number, isn't it? And take another number. 54.835. Okay, so these two numbers we need to compare. Okay, or I am going to find out which one is greatest one. Okay, that one we have to know. So I am taking this first one, 2.697. Okay, so this one, what are the place value of these numbers? Okay, place value, this is beginning only, we need to know about this place value. This is introductory part only. But if you understand the tricks in here, you can easily find out which one is the greatest one. Okay, so here the place value of this number is, I am going to write. You can see that the whole number part, that means before the point. This 2 is on which place? 2 is on which place? This is on ones place, isn't it? Okay, this is the before. What is the point? That number is on ones place. Only one number is there, isn't it? So it is on ones place. And what about this one? After the point, the first place is what? First place is what? Not ones. There is no ones place after the point. There is no ones place after the point. After the point, the first place is tens. And this is first. What is next one? Then it is 100,000. Like that it goes. Okay. Only exception is that after the point there is no ones place. Okay. That is only the exception thing. All other things are same. Okay. So ones place, tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. Okay. What about this number? 54.835. What about this number? This number, this is on which? This is the whole number part, isn't it? That means before point numbers are called whole number parts. Okay. So this 4 is on which place? Ones place. 5 is on which place? Tens place. After the point, this number is on which place? Tens place, 100 place, and thousands place. Okay. So these are the place values. Okay. So here, if you got a number, you want to compare the numbers. First thing we must know about is the place of that numbers. Okay, so here we found out the place of these numbers. Here you can see that which is the biggest number, very simply you can find, because in this number, in these two numbers, the first number, whole number part, it have only which part? One space. But in the case of this number, it have what? One space and 10 space. That means in this whole number part, it has how many parts? Ones and 10th place, isn't it? This one only having ones place, isn't it? So that what we can say that first this number, the second number is bigger than the first. Understand? No need to compare any other part. Here you can see that 695, 835. Just leave about. Okay, just leave it. If this number is the whole number part is more, then that number must be the greatest one. Here this one is 2.697. This is 54. So which is the 2 or 54? 54. Understand? So here this no need of any confusion. If you get this kind of number, you can directly write it. This is the greatest one. Okay. Let's go to the one more example. Okay. Now next one always I am not going to write the place value. Okay. Just write 65.978. Okay. 65.978. Okay. Next one 101.10. 9. Okay, 101.109. So can you say which one is greatest? Here it is 65. Here is 101. Understand? This is 65 and this is 101. Here 9.978, but this is 109. No need of that one. This is 101. This is 65 only. So which one is great? This one. Understand? This is simple one, because the whole number part is which has is more. That one must be the greatest one. Okay, that is the first rule. First you have to check the whole number part. Which is having more whole number, that must be the greatest one. If it is 51.317. Okay, and this is 9.99. Okay, so which one is great? 51 is great as compared to. So this comparison is easy. Next one is if the whole number part is same. That means take an example. Okay, 13.58 and 46.90. Okay, so here you can see that whole number part, what are the digits? 13.58, 46.90. Okay, here also we can say that this is 13 and here is 46 only. Okay, but here you can see that here 2 digits are here. Here also whole number part 2 digits. So you can see that here 1, here 4 is there, isn't it? This is on which place? This is on tens and this is ones place. Here it is tens and this is what ones place. So in tens place here only 1 and in tens place here it is 4. So you can easily write that one, isn't it? Next one. This is make you different. Okay, this is the different one. Okay, 25.21 and 25.23. Okay, here you can see that number of digits in the whole number part is same, and here ones place, tens place it is 2. Here also what 2. Here 5. Ones place it is what 5. Here also what 5. Then we have to go to the next place. What is the next place? Here you can see that after the point which is a number, here it is what in the tens place. This is after the point tens place. In the tens place here it is 2. What about here? Here also what 2. Then again confused. Then go to the next place. Here you can see that here it is what in 100 place here it is 1, but here it is what 3. So which one is it? Up to 25.2, both are same. But for the 100 place, here 1, here 3. So which will be great? 25.23. Okay. Okay. Now let's example. Okay, this 2 number. You can see that number of digits is same here. First place 8, here 8, here is also 8. Go to the next place, here 9, here also 9. Okay, then go to which place? After the point here you can see that 6, here it is what 0. Here it is 6, here it is 6. That means after the point the ones place here it is 6, here it is what here it is after the point tens place. Okay. After the point in the tens place, here it is 6. In the tens place, here it is what 0. It means that no need of comparing any other number. You can see that here it is 1, but here it is 9, here it is 9. Whatever it is. After the point, here it is 6, but here it is only 0. So which will be the greatest? This one. 89.610. Here it is 89.099. Understand? So which will be the greatest one? This is the greatest. Understand? Okay? Now. Okay, 215.009 and 205.99. Okay, you can see that this is a 3-digit number. Here is what a 3-digit number. Okay, so we have to go to the next step. That is what is the next step? Go to the first place. That is here ones, tens, 100 place. This is 215.009. This is 205.99. Easily, so can easily say I am just comparing. Okay. Some students will understand which will be great. This is 215, this is 205 only, isn't it? So this will be the greatest one. Okay. Anyway, we are following the steps. Okay. This is 2, here it is 2. Go to the next place. Here it is 1. Here it is what? 0. Then no need of any other comparison. Understand? You no need to compare next place. Why? The tens place you can see that here 1 we got, here only 0. So this will be the greatest one. You don't need to go for any comparison. Understand? Yeah, after the point maybe here 0, here 9. No matter. This is the biggest part. Understand? Whole number part is the important one. Okay. Now next. Right here. Already took 89. So 98.5, 98.199. Okay, you may get a number like this. You can see that this is unlike fraction, isn't it? These both are unlike fractions. Okay, I'm changing this number. Okay, this is 98.1 and 98.199. Okay, whatever. So here you can see that this is 2-digit number here. Up before the whole number part is 2-digit. This is also 2-digit. First number is 9. Here also 9. Second number is 8. This is also 8. Go to the next place. Here it is 1. Here it is also 1. Same, isn't it? Then go to the next place. But here no number is there. Then what will do? Here 9 you can see. So what will we do? We have to. This is an unlike fraction I told you, isn't it? So to make it to a like fraction, what will be this number actually? 98.100, isn't it? Actually this number is, we can represent this way. And this number is what? 98.199. Now you can compare 9, 9, here 8, here 8. After the point 1 here, here also 1. Then go to the next place. Here only 0. Here is what? 9. So this will be the greatest one, 98.199. So if you got unlike fraction, just put a 0 and make into like fraction, then it's convert. If you understand it in this way, no problem. 98.1 means that after this one is 0 is there, then you can easily do it. Understand? So this is the way we are actually comparing the decimals. Okay, so I am going to write some sort of decimal numbers. I am going to arrange this one in a descending order. Okay, so these are the following numbers: 6.9, 58.18, 6.59, 6.93, 58.08. Okay, so these are some sort of numbers I am going to write in descending order. Okay, descending. So descending order. Okay, descending order means what? From big to small. So first we need to find out which one is the biggest number. Okay, so here you can see that the first number here is 6.9. Okay, 58.18. So this is 58. It's a 2-digit number, isn't it? Called number part. Here this is 6.9. This is 6.59. 6.93. This is 58.08. So maybe these two numbers are there. So first we have to compare these two numbers, isn't it? So you can compare it. So other numbers are only 1 digit is only there in the whole number part. This having but 2 digits. So here this 58, here also 58 here. Go to the next class. Here 0, here 1. So this will be the first 58.18. Then which will come next 58.08. Then we have 3 numbers: 6.9, 6.59, 6.93, 6. Then go to next place, 6.9. Here 6.5. Here 6.9. So 6.9, 6.8. So we can avoid this one. Maybe this will come or this. You can see that 6.93. Here is water. 0 is there, isn't it? So 6.93. Here only 0. So which is next number? 6.93. Then what is next one? 6.9 or 6.90. Okay. And last is what? 6.59. So this is what a descending order. Like that you can arrange it ascending order, the opposite, isn't it? So this is what comparing the decimals. Very easy one. You can, when you do some exercise, you will get a clear idea. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.